Something happened. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back. Thank you for tuning in. I have some news for you guys. I apologize, it's taken a few days to get this video out. It's just craziness in the world right now with the coronavirus and everything else that's going on. But we got her back. There she is. She's running, and it's wonderful and amazing, and I missed it, and I missed driving it, and didn't miss the gas mileage, but I missed everything else about it, so I'm glad I got it back. So what happened exactly? I'll show you. Here we are. This is the passenger side head, and yes, I still have to paint these and put these on. It got really cold out, so I wasn't able to do that, so I'm gonna set this over there for now. But this is our passenger side head. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, what happened there, buddy? That spring doesn't look like it's supposed to. All these are solid, and that one's having a field day. So that's what happened. Spring broke. In turn, bent the valve, so the valve doesn't seat properly. And on the other side, you're not really gonna be able to see it, but it took a chunk out of the head. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's what happened. Spring broke, bent the valve, and it also took a piece out of the head. So I ended up having the entire head complete replaced with all the gaskets, all that other good stuff. So the car's got all that brand new. I'm gonna wipe this out. There's some paper towels. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so the car's got all that. Passenger side head, brand new. I would have liked to go with both heads and updated. I would have liked to go with both heads and upgraded everything. I was actually looking at some Modern Muscle Extreme and stuff like that, but it's like $3,000 to get a set of heads, plus would have cost additional labor for them to remove the driver's side head, which didn't have any issues. And I just didn't have the money to do that. So my total bill, because warranty covered none of it, was right at $3,300 to replace the head, all the gaskets, to do the diagnostic, put it all back together. I also, hold on, I also had new brakes installed. So we got some R1 Concept slotted and drilled, along with their geoceramic or something, geoceramic brake pads. But yeah, so I got those all around, new pads and rotors all the way around. So did that while it was in there. The parts themselves, so this, plus it was in another video, if you guys had seen, it was like 1 or 2 videos ago, when I actually ordered all of these. It was like $1,107 for this whole head, and then you had all the intake gasket, the intake manifold gasket, the exhaust gasket, I can't think right now. Anyway, but all the gaskets and everything. So it was like $1,107 because I went through a buddy of mine that runs parts at another store, so I got a discount on it. So that helped tremendously. Thank you, Jake. I appreciate it. But yeah, so this is what was replaced, and that's why the car broke. So, but if anybody is looking for a passenger side head that they want to have machined and built, like, shoot me a DM and I'll give this to you dirt cheap. Also, close that. All right, this Jet Performance Throttle Body. This is why the warranty company did not cover any of the parts, because it had an aftermarket throttle body installed. This had absolutely zero to do with what broke, but it was the warranty company's way out, so I had them install the stock throttle body back into the Jeep, so that the warranty company would reinstate the remainder of the warranty, because I still have like 48,000 miles left on the warranty. So anyone that has a WK2 SRT, that might be for specific years, but I don't think it is. I think it's 12 through 19. But if anyone's interested in this has about 20,000 miles on it. I'll give you a discount on this too. So shoot me a DM or hit up my Instagram if y'all want that. But that's where we're at right now. But I got it back, thank goodness. Now I'm in Illinois. I'm from the suburbs of Chicago, and we have, today's Thursday, March 19th, and there's a lot of talk going around that as of this weekend, possibly Monday, we're going to be on a 2-week quarantine, like shutting down all non-essential businesses, which means I would be not working at my original job. My second job, they might stay open because it's a food industry. I deliver pizza, which is food technically. And I know a lot of those, they're still keeping open so people can still get food. But if that's the case, I will possibly be making more videos throughout the next week or two. I don't know what I'm going to be making videos of, but we'll find out. One of them, potentially, if you guys are interested, is, so my uncle unfortunately passed away yesterday, not coronavirus related, and he has, I would guess, like $10,000 worth of like die-cast cars, 1/18th scale die-cast cars, Hot Wheels, all that kind of stuff that was in his basement. And I know we're gonna have to go through a lot of that, so if you guys wanted to see some kind of cool collectible stuff, let me know, because I think I'll probably be looking at some of that this weekend potentially. But he does have a lot of cool, really cool collectible stuff. I was looking at some of the stuff online yesterday, and a lot of it is like rare, kind of hard to find die-cast stuff. I don't know if you guys have heard of any of the like American Muscle die-cast cars and muscle machines or something. Anyway, he's got a ton of stuff, but I thought it was really cool, and it's car related because he was a hot rod guy, so a lot of it is old hot rod car die-cast cars. So if you guys want to see any of that stuff, let me know. But I think it would be appropriate to do a startup, since you guys haven't heard one in several weeks. So there she is. Anyways, so I just wanted to, I know this video is not quick, and I apologize for the sporadicness of the video. Just kind of been a weird week with everything that's going on, so I'm a little off. But that's just the recap. We had the part, had the spring break, valve was bent, chipped the head, so just replaced the whole thing. Had him put the stock throttle body back on. Had him install the new performance brakes from R1 Concepts, which, by the way, are freaking nice. Thing stops like it's never stopped before, and I've had the brakes redone just with factory brakes, and this is 10 times better than that. So shout out to R1 Concepts, and of course KOW Performance for hooking me up with with those brakes and the throttle body, to be honest. But I'm not going to put it back on now just because I don't, you know what? I don't even know. Maybe I'll hang on to it until the warranty's expired and then I'll throw it back on the Jeep. But it'll be a few years before that happens. Anyways, that being said, oh, also, did not get around to showing y'all. But the day that it broke, I replaced my toe tag with that one. Yeah, it looks mean. Anyway, so I replaced the toe tag with that one because the old one, let me show you real quick, which you might have seen a glimpse of it. Well, the old one, the color was gone. You can see what the color was, what the color is. So I mean, I guess technically I could have just flipped it around and had a blank red one, but I like that one. I found it on Amazon super cheap before Amazon stopped delivering to everybody. But yeah, so there's that. Next project is going to be the front grill pieces, the front lower grill pieces, which I already have cleaned up and primered and ready for paint. So it is supposed to get cold again, so I probably won't be able to do that this weekend. But hopefully sometime next week it warms up a little bit. Today's not bad, but I have to leave for work in like an hour, so I'm not going to have time to do it. So that's where we're at. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's absolutely cool. You don't have to. I appreciate you guys sticking around if you have stuck around this long, and hopefully this coronavirus ends soon, and we can commence car season, because that would be great. And of course, it's the first day of spring, and it's raining out. We're supposed to get a bunch of severe thunderstorms tonight, possibly tornadoes in Illinois, so we'll see what happens with that. But, yeah. So y'all stay safe out there. Wash your dang hands. Hand sanitizer if you need to. Take showers because some of y'all are nasty. And we'll catch you next time. Peace.